Hi, it's Professor Brown again, and here is another tip. This time it is for the comma that we use when we are joining two full sentences together. The sentence that has two complete sentences joined by a little conjunction word. I call this the 1 + 1 = 1. One full sentence plus one full sentence put together with the and or but or for or whatever that little word is in the middle. That is a 1 + 1 = 1 full sentence. Yes, you use a comma. 1 + 1, one full sentence on either side of that little word. Yes, use a comma. Now, if on that other side of those little conjunction words, if one side does not have a full sentence, we don't use a comma before the and, before the or, before the but, before the yet, those little words. We have to have a full sentence on both sides to use a comma, okay? Now in class, we talked a little bit about there's an exception when you have a full sentence and a full sentence and they are equal in weight. And when those two sentences have equal meaning and can be flipped. This is something we do in college, so you're getting extra college learning right now. When you have something, a full sentence and a full sentence, but they are just adding two full sentences together, it becomes a this and that addition in the next video, where we have this piece and that piece together, no comma addition. Now, again, the rule is those two sentences have to be equal in construction, the way they're put together, and equal in meaning, so that you can take those two equal sentences and go like this, put them in the other parts of the sentence, and it still works. Okay, if you can do that, you don't need a comma when you have these two sentences that are equal and can be flipped. But most of our sentences aren't like that. Most of the time we put an and or a for or nor or yet, those little words in the middle, and it means that this first full sentence moves forward or has a different idea into the next sentence that's connected in this commas with conjunctions sentence. The 1 + 1 full sentence = 1. The first sentence leads to the next sentence. The meaning in the second sentence is dependent on that first sentence and vice versa. Or, there's a relationship that they have to be in that order. Okay, 1 full sentence plus 1 full sentence with an and, but, for, nor, yet. So little words. Yes, put a comma in. 1 + 1, one full sentence plus one full sentence together with that little conjunction word. Yes, use a comma.